Hi, I'm James Bruce. You're watching MakeUseOf.com, your trusted source of tech news, reviews, gadget giveaways, and more. This week there's been a plethora of tech companies offering up free stuff while we are at home during lockdown. For more information on anything we talk about today, do head down to the description where you'll find links to the news articles over at MakeUseOf.com. But anyway, let's get started. First up, free TV thanks to Sling. The Stay In and Sling initiative was launched a while ago, giving families across the US free access to live TV and entertainment. But they've now added onto that with a happy hour. From 5 p.m. every day, the Sling Blue premium service will be open to everyone. Now this gives you access to live TV channels such as FX, AMC and the Discovery Channel, as well as thousands of on-demand titles. Now it's completely free to sign up. You will need to create an account, however you don't need to add any card details. So don't worry, at the end of the free period, you won't be accidentally charged for that. Thanks, Sling. Free Netflix documentaries? Yes, please. Netflix has uploaded some of their best documentaries to, oddly enough, YouTube, so that anyone even without a Netflix account can go over there and watch them for free. 34 titles are available at the time of writing, including Our Planet, which is narrated by Britain's best-loved granddad, Sir David Attenborough. Well worth watching, given that we may never see the outside world again. Whew. Still, never mind, eh? There are some free games. Sony has announced a couple of free games for all PlayStation 4 owners. Now, unlike the games that are available through PS Plus membership, the games are actually not terrible. So from now until May the 5th, you will be able to download both Uncharted, the Nathan Drake Collection, and Journey. Two particularly good games, well worth checking out if you don't already own them. Now, once they're in the library, they will be yours to keep forever. Well, in as much as anything that's a digital download with DRM included is actually yours. Still, thanks Sony. So, Nintendo, what have you got for us? Google is also keen to get in on the free games action, having just announced that you can get a 2-month free trial of Google Stadia Pro, including 9 free games. Now, for those of you who don't know, Google Stadia is a cloud gaming service, which means that anyone with a half-decent internet connection can run premium quality games on Google servers, and then the gameplay will be streamed to your device. This can work on laptops, Chromebooks, tablets, or even a smartphone. So with Stadia Pro, you get immediate access to 9 games, including Grid, Destiny 2, and Thumper. You may need a Google Pay account to sign up for this though, so do be sure to set an alarm for when the trial period is over and ensure you don't pay anything. Or just keep using the service if you like it. Lastly, for small businesses struggling during the lockdown, YouTube has released a free video builder tool. Just by dragging and dropping some static images, entering some text, and picking the music, businesses can easily create a 6 or 15-second video clip to be shared and help with their online marketing efforts. Now, you will need to fill in a little form to have access to this beta version of the tool. However, it's completely free and you don't need any special account in order to be able to use it. While this is great for small businesses looking to connect with their customers better, it's not really suitable for individuals looking to start their own YouTube channel. However, luckily enough, we do have a complete beginner's guide available to you for that. Again, link in the description. Be sure to check that out if you were thinking that now is the perfect time to start your YouTube channel. I agree, it is. And we also have a list of the most popular YouTube video type ideas so that you can have a look through that and then get some ideas to start you off on your own channel. For more free lockdown resources and remote working tips, head on over to our lockdown hub, which you'll find a link to down in the description. We've gathered together the best resources and you'll find it all in one place right there. Anyway, thanks for watching, and until next time, stay safe.